Hi guys, I'm Komal and today we are going to make the first unboxing video for our channel, which is Philips 3700 series LED TV. I've ordered this from Amazon and got it for a decent price of 9,000 INR. The actual price was 12,000, but due to some discount and coupon, I got it for 9,000 INR. As you can see, this is the front label, which means the LED will be facing this side. So we'll start the unboxing now. As you can see, I got this supporter, also known as TV stand, where we'll be facing the LED. As you can see, it is 24-inch LED, which comes with full HD 1080p. You can see all the specification right here on the right, and it has a perfect motion of 120 Hz, sound quality of 16 watts. It has USB support and also have a support for HDMI cable, as you can connect to your laptop, desktop, handycam, and you can play your movies and songs as well. It also comes with an EN user manual. You can see all the TV controls and remote controls right here. Even if you want to see the specification, everything is given right here in this quick guide. And this is the remote for the LED TV, which is quite attractive. It's small, it's handleable, and it's lightweight too. And this is the attachment kit, which will be used in attaching the LED with the setup. And also we have cells for remote. So this is the final look for Philips LED TV. It is 24-inch, but it's quite a lightweight when I was lifting it. The color is double black and it looks good. And the next review will be on the picture quality, the sound quality. I'll get it set up once and then we'll go forward for that. If you like our videos, please subscribe, write your comments, let us know what you think about our videos and what should we write and speak upon. So have a happy evening. Thank you for watching.